Okay, so the given required solution and final answer for number 9, that is the answer for number 8. I'm sorry for that again. Number 10. Examine the connection between deep ocean trenches near the Philippines and island formation. So given Philippine Trench and other deep trenches exist, required examine connection to islands. Solution: trenches indicate subduction zones. Subduction causes volcanic arcs that form islands. Final answer: deep ocean trenches mark subduction zones that generate volcanic islands. Number 11. Evaluate the collision of tectonic plates can create mountain ranges in the Philippines. Given mountains exist in the Philippines, required evaluate how collisions create them. Solution: plates colliding cause crustal uplift, folding, and faulting, forming mountain ranges. Final answer: plate collisions produce mountains through uplift and folding of the crust. Number 12. Describe the role of coral reef development in the archipelago's growth. Given coral reefs are abundant around islands. Required describe role in archipelago growth. Solution: reefs drop sediments, create new landforms, and stabilize coastlines, indirectly supporting island expansion. Final answer: coral reefs contribute to land growth and coastline stabilization in the archipelago. Number 13. Analyze how volcanic islands evolve over time into large masses. Given volcanoes produce islands. Required analyze how islands grow over time. Solution: repeated eruptions accumulate lava, ash, and pyroclastic materials, gradually forming larger masses, larger land masses. Final answer: volcanic islands evolve into large land masses through repeated eruptions. Number 14. Explain why the Philippines has both young and old islands in terms of geological history. Given Philippine islands vary in age. Required. Explain geological history. Solution. Some islands formed recently from volcanic activity, and that is young islands, while others date back millions of years, and that's old islands due to tectonic uplift. Final answer. The Philippines has young islands from recent volcanism and older islands from ancient tectonic processes. Number 15. Investigate how earthquakes and volcanic eruptions affect human settlements in the islands. Were given communities live near active zones. Required. Investigate effects. Solution. Earthquakes and eruptions reshape land, destroy structures, and affect settlements, influencing human adaptation. Final answer. Tectonic hazards affect settlements by altering landform and requiring disaster preparedness. Number 16. Illustrate how magma rising from the mantle contributes to new island formation. Given magma rises from the mantle. Required. Illustrate contribution to new islands. Solution. Magma erupts as lava solidifies and forms volcanic islands above sea level. Final answer. Rising magma creates new islands by forming volcanic land masses. Number 17. Explain the formation of the Philippine Trench and its relation to the archipelago. So given Philippine Trench exists east of the islands. Required. Explain relation to archipelago. Solution. Subduction of the Philippine Sea Plate under the Eurasian Plate formed the trench and nearby volcanic islands. Final answer. The Philippine Trench formed by subduction leading to island formation nearby. Number 18. Discuss the significance of the Philippine Fault system in shaping the island's geography. Given the archipelago has major faults. Required. Discuss significance. Solution. Faults accommodate plate movement, causing earthquakes and in influencing the geography and shape of islands. Final answer, the Philippine Fault system shapes the islands by guiding tectonic activity and landscape formation. Number 19. Predict how sea level changes during the Ice Age could have affected the Philippine Islands. Given sea levels fluctuated historically. Required. Predict effects on islands. Solution. Lower sea levels expose land bridges connecting islands. Higher levels submerge areas isolating islands. Final answer. Ice Age sea level changes modified island size and connectivity. Number 20. Evaluate the combined role of tectonics, volcanism, and erosion in the current landscape of the Philippines. So given Philippines is tectonically active with erosion, required evaluate landscape formation. Solution. Tectonics uplift land. Volcanism creates new islands. And erosion reshape coastlines, producing the current archipelagic landscape. Final answer. The Philippines landscape results from the tectonic uplift, volcanic island formation, and continuous erosion.